Namaskara, good morning everyone. As we have learnt in yesterday's class, Varnamale, in that we have three types. Today we are going to learn that. ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 3 ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಿದೆ, ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. In ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ we have 3 types. One is ಸ್ವರಗಳು, ಸ್ವರಗಳು. 2 ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಯೋಗ ವಾಹಗಳು, ಯೋಗ ವಾಹಗಳು. 3 ಅಂದರೆ 3 ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು, ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು. So in Varnamale means in Kannada alphabet we have 3 types: ಸ್ವರಗಳು, ಯೋಗವಾಹಗಳು and ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು. So how we are having in English like vowels and consonants, in the same way here we have, but here we have 3 types. This yogavahaಗಳು means aha, those two are a bit different in here. Now first today we'll begin with ಸ್ವರಗಳು. How many letters are there? We'll learn about this today. One is ಸ್ವರಗಳು. In ಸ್ವರಗಳು, from a to a ಇಂದ ಔ, ಅ ಇಂದ ಔ ವರೆಗಿನ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು. ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು means letters. ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು. So in ಸ್ವರಗಳು we have letters from a to ಔ. ಇಂದ means it's 2. ವರೆಗಿನ means still ಔ. ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು means letters. So from a to ಔ letters are called ಸ್ವರಗಳು. ಸ್ವರಗಳು means vowels. How we are having vowels in English, in the same way in Kannada we call ಸ್ವರಗಳು. Let me write all the letters again. A, A, E, E, U, U, Ru, A, I, O, ಔ. So these are called ಸ್ವರಗಳು. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 means 13 ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು. There are total 13 ಸ್ವರಗಳು. About ಯೋಗವಾಹಗಳು and ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು, we'll learn it in the next class. Bye for today.